so the hardest bit I want to say is done.
Man, already looking at that, that looks so much better. Alright, good morning guys, welcome back to another video. So let's get straight into it with my WRX VB. So today we have a new part for my VB. We've done a lot to the car, especially exterior cosmetic wise, so I'm pretty excited honestly for today's video. It's been something that's been on my mind for a very long time and I've been wanting to do also for a very long time. And it is honestly, it's around this area. It's something to do with our side skirt. I'll give you guys a quick walk around as to why it's the final piece of the puzzle. So we've done a lot to the exterior with the rear spoiler, the rear LED rear lights, which look absolutely beautiful, paint match rear bumper bar, the exhaust and rear diffuser, and it just looks so damn aggressive and nice, especially with the meaty setup and the tires and the paint match 10mm wider guards. The whole front end is really aggressive and nice too. It's pretty much exactly how I wanted to build it. This is exactly how it is and it looks perfect, to be honest. It is a carbon vented bonnet with actual proper vents, blacked out front grille, STR styling fog lights, which this is also works as an indicator as well. And it just looks absolutely beautiful in my opinion. Especially with the front aggressive camber. And this has just been the final piece that's been bugging me the most, and it's honestly around this area here, which is the side skirts. Like it looks good in this lighting because you can't notice it. On a sunny day, it's just this factory one that isn't paint matched and a bit dull, not shiny, just doesn't work with the car. When the rest of the car looks really nice, it's all paint matched and aggressive, this is pretty stock standard and looks a bit boring. All right, so our last piece of the puzzle for the WRX VB is in our boot. I'll take it out and show you guys exactly I guess you could say the last piece of the puzzle, which is the paint match side skirts. Yeah, let me bring it out. A gloss black lip. I'll show you guys when I take it out, but it's going to make the VB a whole build, especially for the exterior. It's going to look so much better. All right, I'll take one out and then I'll show you what one's in there, but this is how it comes in the package. Yeah, so the rain has started to come down a bit, but I'll quickly show you guys when it's outside of the box. And this is how it looks. Beautiful, man. It's gonna look so nice, especially with the dark gray, the whole color combination with the black lip, and then the paint match with the side skirt as well. So I can show you guys, but it's so hard. That's kind of the best example I'm gonna have to give you. And then we have the styling kit, which is gonna go underneath it. But man, already looking at that, that looks so much better. I can't wait. I'm actually so excited. Again, yeah, it's the final piece of the puzzle. We'll quickly get out of this rain, we'll go home and we'll start with the installation. It's super easy, super simple. Anyone could do it at home, but I'm gonna quickly pack everything back up, put it back in the VB, and then we'll head back home and get on with the installation so we can quickly see how it looks, and then we'll go back outside, hopefully it's not raining too much, and then see how the car looks now, because man, it is coming along so well. Well, I can't wait to just add the last final piece in my opinion. This is something that I've been wanting to do for the WRX for honestly the longest period of time. So I'm super stoked that we're able to do it now. And I think it's one of those small touches that is just gonna make the car look 10 times better, but it's very subtle to the point where you probably won't notice it, but it's just something that adds to the car. Again, one of the benefits of going with this is you don't have to go to a paint shop, of course. You just take it out of the box, you put your new side skirts on, paint's already matched, you get a different style than factory, and you can still keep your OEM ones if you ever want to revert it back to stock. So let's see how it looks.
but I do want to get this lip as far out as possible. Alright, so now the side skirt's all done, it's all ready to go on. We have our extension lip on, and again the hardest bit to do was mainly because of this black bit that is connected to the paint match kit. Has a curve to it which I wasn't expecting. So this bottom lip, generally it just goes straight. So for me to make it actually work properly, I had to drill new holes and pull the lip up, drill into it. So there is a bit of a curve to the new side skirts. If you're doing the side skirt extensions transfer, you do have to just keep in mind that you might have to do a bit of pulling, rear drilling and lining up to just make it look nice. Other than that, super simple. Now all that's left is just putting it onto the car and we'll see how it looks. And we're done. So it's a new day and the WRX VB is all done, side skirts are on, and it just looks absolutely insane, man. I can't believe how aggressive it actually turned out and how much better it turned out than I expected to, especially the way that we mounted the lip. Well, the side skirt extensions, it actually comes out further, so it actually matches our aggressive track stance. So you can see how it lines up perfectly with the wheel, and they just make the car look a million times better, especially from, I want to say, this angle. You can see how it works so much better now with the body line and the aggressive camo and the wheels and the C28s. It just looks, man, a million times better. Can't believe it. I didn't think it was going to turn out that good, to be honest. The factory ones did sit in a lot further in and it just didn't give any curvature, I want to say, to the WRX, but this just completely changed it, and it really worked well with, again, the exact kind of track stance I'm going for and the look I'm going for with the car. So I couldn't be more happier. It was a super easy install. Well, probably the second time. The first time, I want to be honest, was pretty hard lining up the clips, so if you have two people doing it, that's definitely a lot easier. But the second time I knew exactly how to do it. I just had something supporting in the middle. I pushed in the front, lined that up, put the two clips in, put the back in. The back was probably the easiest to put the clip in, and then you just pretty much push it in, and it's, yeah, that easy. It's super simple. Once you know the process and how to do it, it's very short, it's very easy. That's it. Side skirts are on. The exterior is pretty much, in my opinion, perfect. I'm always contemplating if I should have a carbon reboot, leave the wing. That's a different story. That's a whole different type of conversation, a different story. But for now, I like it. I like how everything flows so much better now. So I guess all that's really left is for bigger brakes for us. We're gonna have to do some big 6-port Brembos, and then we'll do some engine modifications where I want to push around 330 horsepower, and I think this should be the perfect daily track WRX. I think visually we done it. Visually it's pretty damn perfect. Honestly, going to be about it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. We'll do a bit of a cinematic exit or cinematic ending to it, but that's it. The VB now has paint match side skirts. The exterior is pretty much perfect. All that's left is big brakes, bolt-ons, make some power. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was informative. If you guys want to know where I picked up the side skirts, I'll leave a link in the description for you with my discount code, so you guys can grab it for yourself as well, and you can also add it on to your car. They do it in every single color. You just have to convert your side skirts, which you guys would have seen in the video, onto your WRX. If you want to make it as aggressive as me, you do have to convert this bit over, drill some new holes, and line it up. But that is going to be it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm super stoked how the WRX turned out, to be honest. I absolutely fell in love with this car again, and it just, I don't know, it's just so nice. Now I'm going to take a bit of photos, do a bit of cinematic B-rolls, and then we will end the video there. So peace, and I'll catch you guys in a future video. Bye. You know what, guys? I lied. We're not going to end the video there because you probably would have seen it in the cinematic clips or just in the clips at the end as well. Is my WRX is actually pretty filthy. So we're going to end the video with giving it a clean. And I'll give you guys an update. So if you guys have been following my channel and are familiar with my other cars, this is my R34. I'll give you guys a little update on this once we're done washing the VB as well. All right, WRX is all clean now, and I can finally give you guys an update on, well, my R34 build as well. So defect vehicle, and we've been going through the process of getting everything modification wise legal for the R34 to get back on the road. And we have a booking for the engineering inspection for the second inspection as well. So we have the date for that booked in. We've finished a lot of, well, pretty much all the parts that need to be done. The only thing I need to do next weekend is probably drain the E85 because it's old E85. I'll put up a clip of the car while R34 reversing to show you just the condensation in the tank and the white smoke it's causing because of old E85, which has technically gone off, and it's just causing water vapor through the exhaust. So I'm not really starting the car until I completely drain the whole tank of E85. We'll go ahead and put new E85 in. But that's pretty much where the R34 is. I won't give too much away, but next episode we're going to be going over a lot more of what's been done and what's left for the R34 to get back onto the road. But that's going to be it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.